Hello my people, good evening, this is good evening, good morning, good night, anywhere you did. This is Blacks in Europe TV. Please, if today is your first time, don't forget, may you subscribe for this channel. This channel is the U channel. This channel is the channel where we learn about document matter. When I say man, they talk slow, I will talk slow. My people, subscribe, may you share the video. Now be the only thing where you go feed do. Where be like say you go use and take support this platform. Supporting the platform no mean say you must get money or you must bring money to support. No, your support now to share the video. May you subscribe, may you click the like, may you drop your comment, may we know waiting you don't understand. All of us we go come, we go discuss. Recently, if yesterday people will watch my videos, and I remember say I talking. Say one man where they call Matteo Salvini and Berlusconi, Italy president, say he won't call them, may they come support Italian the way where they would take rule or control or take over this coronavirus. This coronavirus, this COVID-19, where be like say he don't take over all the country. They say they go call this man, may he come support, may he come support. So many of the black, we call the fear say, this Salvini way won't come. No be wahala he won't bring, because Salvini be person will be like say if you give him one line, he go waka past the one line where you give him. So many of our people they come they drop comment, my brother, this Salvini we won't come, me I the feel. My brother, Salvini never come, he never even sit down for the parliament. To yesterday as he did, so I don't know waiting verse Salvini. Now he drop video. My brother, the video, no be say he bring the fire on us. So the fire where he bring all the fire where he won't throw. Now on top of Italian president Mattarella, now he throw all this fire with Italian prime minister and the Italian ministers, with European unions. Now he throw this fire for my people. The fire no be easy. Now make people they fear say the Salvini way they say they won't call her. May they just leave her. May Salvini day in own. As the nation say they won't do something, because the things have they tire me say if Salvini not the government they no feel rule. If they know say they no feel rule, why they come out Salvini? Come put another interior minister say me in rule. Okay, Salvini don't go now. They talk say you don't call her. The president now waiting. The president they talk say he don't call Salvini with Berlusconi with the other 4 members. Say may they come support them. May they join hand together. May they stop propaganda. May they stop everything. May them all of them gather hand, because now Italy coronavirus, it don't enter 50 something thousand in Italy. Now small thing now remain Italy now. They will get population past China self. Where be like say they be the root of this coronavirus. And people who don't die for Italy, my people, you don't pass 4,000 now as I they talk to you. In Bergamo, people who die only one day, more than 600 and something. So my people, the matter, the thing come be like say the Salvini itself where it be like say you don't call your friend, say my brother come home, he never reach your house, you don't they start they bring wahala they come. You go kukuma tell and say no come again you, because this come where you never call, you don't they start they throw fire. Meaning say who they call say may he come, he never reach out, so in the fire the president call go away, they call and say may he come support. Talk less of if he enter, meaning say he go top he go upside the thing, he go turn her upside down. Now he go come face. So my people, show you idea. I won't play the voice. How is as he take fire our people, our president, where they this Italy with the interior minister with the rest, as he take fire them and waiting they tell them. My brother, for me, I support Salvini, the word waiting they tell Italian president, because waiting that they do me they see and say na stupidity. Because when I don't see say the thing don't they hide for honor to close everything. When I did say we don't open pharmacy, we don't open bank, we don't do this, and inside the bank people go still contact this sickness where they happen. So Salvini talk in a sense say he say even in the whole this year 2020 where we did, so make the government not even collect tax for any Italian worker or any Italian person where get company. I beg man not to talk. Listening waiting Salvini by himself he talk, and listening the fire. May you see if he come, whether he go concentrate, follow the work where they say may he can't do, or he go change the work. Listening to the Salvini talk.
Presidente Mattarella, ci rivolgiamo a lei perché altri non ci ascoltano per chiedere a nome di milioni di italiani 5 interventi immediati. Primo, chiudere tutte le attività che non sono vitali per il Paese. Lo chiedono a gran voce, lo implorano medici, infermieri, anestesisti, imprenditori, lavoratori. È il momento di chiudere tutto e mettere in sicurezza la vita dei nostri figli. 2, obbligare il governo a fornire di mascherine, camici e tutto il materiale sanitario necessario gli operatori della sanità, i medici in trincea.
Yeah, you understand? Before I go continue, the number one, they tell the government, say, may he close everything, any work activity, anything at all where they Italy, may he suspend everything. May the fight protect the children where they die for this country. Children will be like, say, every day, mothers where they die, grandfathers where they die for Italy. May the president close everything. And secondly, it's saying now obligatory, now force for the government. May it bring this mask where we take the cover nose with medicines where they will take protect people in the country. Because now the government work, say may it do. Because the time when the coronavirus they come, this Italian government, he know now he open all in borders, say may people they enter. That time the government forget, say the coronavirus will won't come. Now mask we go take cover ourselves with sanitizers. Now we go use stay clean our hands. Why that time the government not plan start to the order all those things? You sit down till the coronavirus take over. So the government now force say he go find all those things come. May he close everything. May he stop say I don't open pharmacy, I don't open bank, I don't open postal pay, I don't open this and that. All those open those things no being go solve the problem because through the banking where we they enter they go they come. This one go sit down on this chair, this one go sit down. Now there self people they pass through, they carry all the supermarket. Now there people they spit they put on the things where they take the buy things. So he said may the government may it close everything, mask, the sanitizers, everything where they use till they work. Now the government's responsibility may bring. So may you not come the day they make mad say I don't open this, I don't open that. No be that one be the important thing way they supposed to do. May we continue having a voice.
E le forze dell'ordine. Non è possibile morire come servitori di uno Stato che ti dimentica. 3.
Hey, he said it's not possible. No, it not be possible. Say people they die for just they die they go. People they die they throw away like flies. You understand? It's not possible. So the government may put leg down. Now Savini nine they tell the government to he just they throw that money they give the government. Number 3 in one go.
Tranquillizzare tutti gli imprenditori e i lavoratori che sono chiusi a casa responsabilmente garantendo un anno di pace fiscale. Moratoria fiscale, sospensione di tutte le tasse locali e statali per tutto il 2020. 4. Svegliare un'Europa che dorme e che si ricorda dell'Italia e dei cittadini europei solo quando si tratta di incassare. 5. Riaprire il Parlamento. Permettere a noi di svolgere il nostro mestiere come fanno tanti altri lavoratori italiani in prima linea. Abbiamo voglia di portare a Roma idee, proposte, soluzioni e contributi. Presidente Mattarella, ci affidiamo a lei visto che altri non sembra abbiano voglia e tempo di ascoltarci.
So now in the talk, say now the president has seen this, so may he put measures, where be like say any work where they do, people where they do moratorium, any work at all. In this 2020, this particular 2020, he no supposed to collect any tax or anything from all the workers where there is Italy here where they don't accuse them, put for her, say may they not go anywhere. He supposed put measure, not be say they get and to listen all those rubbish where in the day they talk, not be that one, the Italians won't listen because there are people where they die. You as a president where you know say you na president where since where this coronavirus they come una dey say una won't rule the nation. Now una they complain say una not get mask. German people they wicked. He say may Italians may they svelia, may they wake up, may they know, may they let the European know say European Union know say the Italians they not be useless people or they not be mumu. May they stand up, may they wake up. Who don't sleep, may they wake up, may they stand. Because the government, in the sea say the government no they do anything. Because if you now go remember, there is one man where come out where they say Italy government, this particular government, Conte government, so he weak and true he weak. Because you know if you tell me say you dey Italy here, you hear say coronavirus they come. The time where coronavirus dey 1,000 for Italy, what did the president they do? You understand? Now he dey say I don't use it this thing. I don't use it this thing. Last one way he talk, he said the parliament where they roam, may they go open the parliament. The first linear, may they open and may people consider, may they plan the way they will put measures. Nobody they say we don't use parliament, but we don't open supermarket, we don't open this, we don't open bank. May they go the first linear in the parliament, may they open and may all of them, may they sit down, may they plan, may they stop all these things where they do. So now waiting blacks to wait don't watch video. The reason is okay, person where they call on to just even come as a support to support. Oh, now they throw this fire, they go on the president, say they know they do anything because number one, masks no day Italy, hand sanitizers no day, hand gloves no day, nothing day Italy where you want you to protect yourself against this coronavirus. And una for una to close all these shops them. When I say when I don't open, maybe people go they do this, maybe people he say no be those ones they important. May they kill Zura, may they open the parliament, may they sit down, may they plan, may they find measures where taxes in this country in this 2020. He say may anybody no pay tax, may the government put those measures. No be all those in talks where nines have been in the listing. Waiting in the listing, it need good measure. People where they die, it's impossible for people to die in Italy. The voice 9 day there. So my people, now waiting Matteo Salvini they talk. You support the man or you not support her. Drop your comment, may you subscribe, may you share this video. This one no be live video. We just come, may we come update you about Matteo Salvini. Investigation way in the verse for the government. Say why mask no day here, face mask no day. Why hand sanitizers no day. Why the parliament they lock the parliament say they no go they go lock go work. May they go as they say may workers go work for smart work and may workers still go work for supermarket with bank with postal pay. May them to open the parliament. At least the first line people they feel come. May everybody come. May they can't do the contribution. Savini where they call we never reach. Now waiting he bring. How your mind they tell you if Savini he come to support. Una sure say no be to pursue the minister that he won't go do. Show your side of you. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Go to Hero Family. Una love we don't reach 1000K. More on our support. May we hit the watch hour every time we will come live. I'm sorry for the disappointment on the live video where we do maybe like say the network no good, but with time I hope say coronavirus go the network we will find better one way we go to use. Subscribe to Bright Future TV, one of our brother now still open that channel where they still they educate us about document issue. Thanks for watching and subscribing. Stay blessed. Adios till next time. Bye bye.